Hi everyone. Today I will be talking about current electricity, which is a very important chapter as far as the class 10 ICSC physics is concerned. Now we all know the importance of electricity in our day-to-day life. If we look around, all the gadgets and the appliances, they are running on electricity. If I talk about the television or the TV that we are using in our home, it will not run on its own. It will work only when electricity is provided to it. Similarly, if I talk about the tube light, which is giving us light, now that will work only when it is getting the required amount of electricity. So we all know and we are all aware of the great importance of current electricity. Now, in order to understand current electricity better, the first thing that we need to know is what is current. Now, current is defined as the rate of flow of charge. So, what do you mean by this statement, rate of flow of charge? See, rate means anything, any quantity divided by time. In this case, we are dividing charge by time. So, if we can calculate the total charge that is flowing through a conductor, and if we divide that by the time interval, then we will be able to calculate the current that is flowing through that conductor. Now, numerically or mathematically, we can say that current is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T, where I is the current, Q is the charge, and T is the time. Now, when we are talking about charge, one must understand that the flow of current is basically the flow of electrons. Okay, so if we can calculate how many electrons are flowing through a conductor, then we can calculate the current. I'll tell you how. See, this is the basic definition of current. I is equal to Q by T. Now, what is Q? Q is N into E. N into E. E is what? E is the charge which is carried by one electron, which is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, coulomb we know is the charge of is the unit of charge. So if I can multiply the number of electrons that is flowing through the conductor with E, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, then I'll get the total amount of charge. Say 4 electrons are flowing through the conductor. Now I will multiply 4 with E, that is 4 with minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So that will give me how much charge is flowing. And say I am conducting that experiment for 3 seconds. So I will divide that by 3. So 4 into minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb divided by 3. So that will give you the current. So if n number of electrons are flowing, then I will multiply 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb with n number of electrons are flowing. Now let us see the unit of current. Now current is defined by two factors. One is Q, which is charge, another one is time, which is denoted by T. Now the unit of charge is coulomb, denoted by C, and the unit of time is second, denoted by S. So we can easily understand that the unit of current is coulomb per second. So unit of current is coulomb per second, and 1 coulomb per second can be written as 1 ampere. So ampere is the SI unit of current. Of course, there are smaller units of current like milliampere and microampere. So hope this part is clear to you, what is current and how you can calculate current